Let's look at how to do this gorgeous textured mid-length updo. Checking out her layers. You can see where the top layers are, and this will help with your sectioning. Combing back the top and going in for what I call a section 4 at the crown. I'm going to make a nice clean line, and also pay attention that I'm leaving quite a bit of hair on the sides. This will give us lots to send back for all that detail. Almost going to the nape, which is the bottom part, which is section 5. So you will see just really giving myself some extra hair. Going to take the curling iron and shape going inward, because this is going to follow the design of the style. This helps you to jump right into the head with sectioning and not just curling the head randomly. It's all specific. That's what gives it the beautiful shape. Now that middle becomes the self-padding. Taking out the nape hairs and putting in a good tease, a little piece of donut here, which is like a sleeve. Just cut it, feed it in, roll it up, nice and tight to the nape with a little bit of fullness just at the occipital. This will give just enough room and place for padding, pinning in the sides, and it just is really going to create some easy balance. So taking these parts of section 5, which is in the back, and you will see throughout the process that I clean and spray and clean with Paul Joseph Pro spray. Is the best dry working spray, just enough moisture, not too dry. Paul Joseph Pro. And pinching and working in these little sections. It really helps the style to be custom and unique. Cleaning, spraying, cleaning, pinching, and securing right into that little bit of padding. You will be amazed that when you break your updos down into these small sections, which is all part of the Updo System education, your looks will be more high-end and stand out from the crowd. Just going in to give some balance to these fringe. Of course, this depends on the look that your client wants. Going up to section 4 again, which is the crown, and we're going to split that off and give ourselves another little row where we're going to add more curls and more detail. Dragging and adding curl mid-shaft, and you will see again how this goes into a beautiful shape for a very custom look. Cleaning, pinching, and just getting as much volume out of this mid-length hair. It's amazing when you separate into these sections and work and taking these details to your guest, that she will be absolutely amazed that you got such an amazing look with her short hair. And that's what we want, is amazing experiences for our guest. So pinning and using that silver clip as the second set of hands. Taking section 2, which is one side, and section 3 is the other. We're going to, again with the curling iron, and dragging them across to give a beautiful look on the side, and just continuing to build up all that texture. When you do it this way, you don't run out of hair, because you are going side to side and you're building. And if you had a different length, you know, that coming across the nape here, it could be higher if you had more hair to work with. So it's just really maintaining the hair you have to work with and the look that your guest would like. So now is a good time to stand her up and let her see the back. I call this getting midway buy-in, and it's key to a happy ending. She will like it when you're done because at this point, she thinks the back is gorgeous and stunning. So this is part of the psychology of the Updo system. Working at the crown here and adding more texture, it actually gives the client some relief. It can build up anxiety for them if they don't get a chance to look. And this way you also get input. You'd better to get input partway through than all at the end when it's all pinned. So gorgeous bottom. I'm going to continue with sectioning the crown and just going in here with a little bit more detail, a little bit more cleaning. And once you have this system in your head, these decisions on your feet for each guest become easier and easier. So working with the client as far as her height and her placement, how she likes it from the front. And just kind of gathering this and spraying again. And you can rely here on spray. You're working with such lightweight sections that the twisting keeps all the little bits in, and then you're pinning it. Hairpins are great for fine tuning. And now we're going to finish off with our sides. Again, in the beginning, we already checked how much sides we had to work with, how long they were, and how much fringe there was. If your client has a bit more fringe, then you would make adjustments as you go per section. And that is the beauty of the Updo system. If you want to get some other courses, you can go to updosystem.com and see some of the other courses I have available. I like to help you think on your feet and make custom looks based on the hair you have to work with and the vision the client has with her photos. It's a little tunnel pinning there, and we are good. Thanks for watching, and I hope you like and subscribe. Have a great day.